Formation of first stars. The formation of the first stars, population 3, and the subsequent reionization of the universe represent two critical milestones in cosmic history, marking the end of the Dark Ages. First stars, population 3. Population 3 stars were the very first generation of stars to form, approximately 100 to 400 million years after the Big Bang. Composition. Unlike stars today, they were metal-free, composed almost entirely of primordial hydrogen and helium produced during the Big Bang. Mass and luminosity. They are theorized to have been extremely massive, 30 to 300 plus times the mass of the Sun, and millions of times brighter. Because of their high mass, they were incredibly hot and emitted intense ultraviolet radiation. Lifespan and fate. These massive stars lived for only a few million years before dying in violent explosions. Many likely ended as pair instability supernovae, PISNE, which seeded the universe with its first metals, elements heavier than helium like carbon and oxygen. Observation. No POP3 star has been definitively observed yet, though instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, are currently searching for their signatures in the distant universe. The epoch of reionization. Reionization is the process by which the neutral hydrogen gas filling the early universe was transformed back into an ionized state. The cause. The intense UV light from the first POP3 stars began to strip electrons from neutral hydrogen atoms in the surrounding space. The process. This started as small bubbles of ionized gas around individual stars and galaxies. Over hundreds of millions of years, these bubbles expanded and eventually overlapped. Timeline. Reionization began roughly 100 million years after the Big Bang and was largely complete by the time the universe was 1 billion years old. Significance. This transition made universe transparent to light, as neutral hydrogen previously acted as a thick fog that absorbed UV radiation. The transition from population 3 to later population 2 stars was driven by chemical feedback. As the first supernovae enriched the gas with metals, the cooling process changed, allowing smaller, longer-lived stars to form. That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, stay tuned.